Why does your scanner show the P0872 engine code? What does it mean? P0872 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch C circuit low. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected a lower than normal voltage signal from the transmission fluid pressure TFP sensor. This can cause the transmission to shift improperly and sometimes engage a limp-in mode to prevent further damage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission fluid. Wiring issues. Low transmission fluid level. Internal transmission problems. Powertrain control module (PCM) malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Honda, and Ford models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.